Hello students, welcome to my channel bloomskills. Today let us discuss the topic oxidation and reduction. First, I will tell you the definition of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means addition of oxygen, or I can even say removal of hydrogen. Oxidation is nothing but addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Reduction is a process of removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. This is the value point, children. This is the key point to remember about oxidation and reduction. So, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, it is oxidation. Reduction is removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. So, this is the key point. Let me explain you this topic with a simple example. Copper oxide, when react with hydrogen element in the presence of heat, it gives copper and water molecule. So in this reaction, if you see this copper to oxide is the oxidation state of copper. I will take another class in explaining about the oxidation state. How to identify the oxidation state, I will discuss it in the brief. In simple, I will show you how we say copper to oxide. The name of this compound is copper to oxide. This 2 is the oxidation state. If you see, the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So, let me consider the copper as X. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2. So, the oxidation number of copper is plus 2. So, that is how I name the compound as copper to oxide. When react with hydrogen in the presence of heat, it gives copper and water molecule. So, in this reaction, if you see, the oxygen is removed. The copper to oxide is losing an oxygen and it is reduced to copper. The oxygen is given out. The oxygen is added to the hydrogen. Okay, so I can say this reaction as reduction because it is reduced. The oxygen atom is removed. So, the removal of oxygen, we call it as reduction. The oxygen is added to hydrogen to give water. So, I say the reaction where the water molecule formed is oxidation. Okay, this is a simple way of remembering the concept oxidation and reduction. This is a simple reaction. The same way we have an other reaction. Let us see the other reaction. Hydrogen sulfide, when react with chlorine molecule, gives hydrochloric acid and sulfur. In this reaction, if you see, the chlorine is reduced. Chlorine molecule is reduced and the hydrogen is added. In this reaction, if you see, the hydrogen is removed from hydrogen sulfide and it is added to the chlorine molecule. So, I can say where the hydrogen is removed. So, this is oxidation reaction. Here the hydrogen is added. So, when the hydrogen is added, I can say this is reduction reaction. This is the reduction reaction. So, this is the simple reaction which explain you the oxidation and reduction process. Simple explanations on oxidation and reduction reaction. In the next class, I will explain you the oxidation and reduction based on the electronic concept. So this is very important concept. If you want any other concepts to be discussed in the class, you can comment in the description box. Do like, share and subscribe to Bloom Skills. Thank you students.